Ready? Start. Despite multiple continuing global uncertainties, the Indian economy has continued to thrive like an oasis in the desert. It is against this backdrop that all eyes were on the Union Budget of 2024-25 to see whether further steps would be taken by the government to achieve the Viksit Bharat dream. The biggest takeaway from the budget was the continuing focus on fiscal consolidation, with the targeted fiscal deficit going down to 4.9% of the GDP. This figure is well ahead of the 5.1% set in the interim budget earlier this year. The reduced fiscal deficit target indicates the government's continued focus on maintaining macroeconomic stability. The union budget has maintained a fine balance between productive expenditure and fiscal consolidation. It has made good use of the additional 1,23,000 crore dividend that the government received from the RBI this year. The assumption of growth in tax collections for the year also seems quite conservative. Therefore, we believe the intended fiscal deficit figure is credible and realistic. More importantly, the government continues to move ahead on the path of fiscal consolidation, seeking to bring down the fiscal deficit to below 4.5% of the GDP in FY26, along with guidance to reduce the debt to GDP ratio in the future. As a consequence, net and gross market borrowing will be lower than the levels of FY24. The budget outlined four key segments for focus: the poor, women, youth, and farmers, and nine priority areas for growth and development of the economy, building productivity and resilience in the agricultural segment seems to be one of the priorities, as the government focus on its policy of Atmanirbhar Bharat in every sector of the economy. This should also help strengthen the rural economy over a period of time. Increased focus on road connectivity in rural areas and 3 crore additional houses to be built under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme should also help rural development. This budget also reaffirms policy continuity in areas of manufacturing and infrastructure development, including urban development, energy security, and housing. The commitment towards investment led growth is visible in the budget presented on Tuesday. Over the last decade, we have built as much infrastructure as was built until then after independence. This has created a multiplier effect and has pushed India to become the fifth largest economy. Given the recent growth trajectory, India will likely become the third largest in the near future. Stop.